The Barebones Cultivator hand tool is an exceptional choice for gardeners looking for durability and efficiency in their tools. This Japanese gardening tool is built to last, thanks to its heat-treated stainless steel blade, which ensures longevity even after countless seasons of use. Its wooden handle, made from stylish walnut, is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also designed for maximum comfort. The ergonomic design of the handle reduces hand fatigue, making extended gardening sessions more enjoyable. The cultivator's tines are strategically crafted to break up compacted soil, which significantly improves aeration and promotes healthier root growth. This thoughtful design makes the Barebones Cultivator highly effective and efficient, allowing for easier and more effective soil cultivation. Additionally, the tool's eco-friendly materials and sustainable manufacturing practices highlight its commitment to environmental responsibility, aligning with the values of many modern gardeners. Overall, this tool stands out for its blend of durability, functionality, and style. If you're looking for a reliable and elegant cultivator that enhances your gardening experience while being kind to the environment, the Barebones Cultivator hand tool is an excellent choice.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.